Introducing the next generation of self-care skincare, Lysere Moisture-Rich Body Lotion. Environmental stressors, along with harsh soaps and cleansers, can leave skin dehydrated. Lysere hits the reset button on dry, dull, stressed skin. Created with potent antioxidants and probiotic technology to nurture, balance, and protect skin's natural barrier. Clinically proven to provide 24 hours of moisture, Lysere goes on sheer with a hydrating blend of healthy plant oils and a nutrient-rich dose of Nordic antioxidants to neutralize free radicals. Embrace soft, refreshed, vibrant-looking skin with Lysere Moisture-Rich Body Lotion.